Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming game version and any conflicting mods so playback behaves predictably. Next, open Bonelab's main menu and navigate to Utilities, then select Media Player. This launches the interface. Make sure to grant file and microphone permissions if the system asks, because without access the player cannot load videos or audio. Once done, familiarize yourself with the layout. Playlist on the left, playback controls at the bottom, and display settings on the right. That context speeds up the rest. Now you load content. Click Add File to import local videos or add URL for streams, drag items into your preferred order. Configure playback format and VR scaling to match your headset resolution, and enable 3D audio if you want spatial sound. This improves immersion. Make sure to check rotation and aspect ratio. Bonelab's player can flip or crop. Once configured, save the setup as a preset so you don't repeat these steps next time. This saves time and keeps consistent playback. Finally, begin playback and use the quick controls. Play /pause, seek, and the full-screen VR toggle to anchor the image. Adjust volume and subtitles on the fly. If you need fine-tuning, open advanced settings to change decoder or buffer size. If you see stutter or audio lag, reduce resolution or switch to a software decoder, then test again. If problems persist, export the media player logs and reset presets. And as a last resort, reinstall the media components. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.